You are an idiot if you're not watching these 3 stocks for Monday's trading day. Last week, as always, I gave you the top 3 stocks in the market every single day, like this massive win on Friday on TSSI for a more than 30% win. If you missed it, you definitely don't want to miss out on this stock for tomorrow because it looks like it could make a pretty massive move just like this stock did on Friday. The market is insanely hot and I'm saving my absolute favorite stock for last, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. Number 1 on the list is the stock that crashed from 30 cents all the way underneath a penny last week, and that stock is HCTI. Now, very rarely do you see a stock trading underneath a penny, but I do want to be watching it going into this week. If we do find buyers on the break of trend, watch for buyers that then show up here on the break of 0.013. If those buyers do come in, look for those pullback entries off these dips if it does form a bit of a base for the leg to the new high overhead to 2 and 3 cents to the upside. Now that's pretty crazy to think about, but this thing looks like it has pretty wild potential. But again, no break, no trade. Next up, and number 2 looks even better, and it's exploding pretty big in after hours on Friday, and that stock here is SXTC. You want to make sure you're watching until number 3 because the next one on this list looks absolutely insane. Now I only want to be watching SXTC tomorrow if we break over the daily 50-day moving average. That means I have to see price consolidate here underneath $2.35. If we then break to the upside and confirm over 235, watch that range back to the new high to 330, then to 4 to your daily 200 moving average. No break, no trade. Next up is number 3, and it's my absolute favorite stock for tomorrow. It looks insane. This stock was one of my biggest winners in the market last week, and it looks insane going into Monday morning. Before I give it to you, I give you the top 3 stocks in the market every single day, so hit that like button and say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now, that stock here is GRYP. Now, there's actually 2 ways you can watch GRYP this week. I either want to be watching it off these pullbacks off of trendline support over this previous area of demand. If we can find this to confirm and set up over $1.17 off the bottom of this zone, we have range back to the upside here between $1.40 to $1.50 overhead, back to the previous day's high. Now, the other way you can watch this as well is if we do get over that previous high day as well, over $1.50. Now, if we do confirm buyers over $1.50, we can then look for pullbacks to confirm off that dip over $1.40 off the bottom of that zone. Now, if that does happen and price confirms, you can then watch for entries between $1.50 and $1.40 for the range back overhead to $1.70 to your new daily high. This thing looks absolutely incredible, but again, no confirmation, no trade. You either watch it over $1.17 off the pullbacks tomorrow morning or over the break of the high of day over $1.50. To unlock full access to my entire stock watch list every night, every morning, watch me trade every day, get buy and sell alerts, education, chat room access, and so much more, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial while the market's insanely hot so you're not left sitting on the sidelines wishing you started sooner. And as always, comment down below which one of these 3 stocks is your favorite for tomorrow, what stocks you're watching for tomorrow, and I will see you in that 7-day free trial for another record-breaking week in the stock market. You're gonna wish you didn't wait.